Hey guys, Danny here with ParTay. So doing our final test for the night on the Contra-Brite. So just wanted to display what it can do at night. Now, two things. One, the screen behind this panel is my screen, and it's going to be a little bit darker. You're going to notice that there's going to be deeper hues, deeper blacks in there, and deeper hues of some of the, like your greenery and things like that. But overall, the Contra-Brite has been designed just to be very bright, and I don't really think this gives off just how bright the screen really is. It's extremely luminous. I hate using that word now, but it seems to be almost emitting its own light. So just want to give you an idea of what this does here in the dark, and then I'll show you in the light real quick. See, for a lighter screen, it looks very nice. You can see the difference there specifically. Okay, let's see, put some light on. Get us set up here. So there we are. I'll get out of the way. So overall, holding up very well contrast wise. You see more gold hue on this one than you are on the darker screen. But it really diffuses the light well enough to where it just sort of spreads it across in a thin coat. So it doesn't really do anything to degrade your color or your images there. You look around. And like I said, this is a lighter screen. See if I can find. Who knows? I'm going to pause. Okay, so we're back. All right, I'm going to show you real quick. Excuse me. So you can see that's how much lighter that screen is. And let's go back to the image. It's a great balance of brightness and holding a degree of contrast there for a much lighter screen. So I hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it. And you guys have a good night.